All right, 0 to 60 car videos here with you today with a 2014 Chevy Equinox with 2.4 liter in it. And we're gonna save you about 50 bucks on changing an air filter today. So we got an 8mm drive socket. I got a bit driver here. We're gonna take out this one right here, that one in the back, and that one in the upper right-hand corner. And we don't actually have to take them all the way out. We just got to get them broken loose enough to get this air box loose. So you can see I took this one out so you can kind of see it has once we get to that washer, it doesn't really need to come out any further. You can just sit there. But yeah, Chevrolet dealership wants about 50 bucks to replace these, and there are a lot of air filters that are simpler because they don't actually require any tools. They just have clips, and this one I suppose you could say could be a little bit more intimidating just because you have to unscrew some things, but definitely shouldn't be something that you charge 50 bucks for, because the air filter itself isn't even close to that amount of cost. All right, so this is the last one I've got here. All right, so they're all loose, so they should just pull right up. There you have it. Your mass airflow right there. You just take this filter out. It's really not in too bad a shape. We're gonna go ahead and replace them that I bought off Amazon. Here's the part number on the side. And that's what it looks like. You can tell it's the same shape. And then all we have to do now is get this to, I guess you'd say the hardest part would be to get this to stay up while you drop this in. And that's it. Done. All we have to do now is just put the tighten the screws back up. Try to get them tightened up by hand a little bit. And then you just drive them in. And that's all there is to it. Thank you.